Hola! Hello! I'm with my favorite contractor, Brett, and his crew here. So they're doing some ceiling work for me in one of my properties. Now I'm gonna share with you what I've learned from my mentor, especially when you're doing renovations or updates on your property. And this is Slick, my painter here. So why am I here in the property all the time? Either I come here every day or even twice or 3 times a day, or sometimes even more, but I do come here frequently. And the reason why I do that is because my mentor just said, what I inspect, I get. Let me repeat, what I inspect, I get. So I've learned over the years that I do trust the people that work for me, and I do have to verify their work to make sure that nothing slips through the crack, to make sure that things that I would like done are done. And so that's why I'm here with my guys, looking to see what they need, looking to see what problems they encounter during the day, looking to see how I could make things work faster. Either hire another contractor or bring another team to get it rolling, especially with this property where I have a tenant coming in. So I gotta get things done. And that's one of the things that when I read the book Best in Class, Managing the Manager, it is very important whether you are doing or I am doing a big multifamily apartment syndication, or whether I'm buying the property just by myself, privately owned. So that's a single family home that I just came from, and I just purchased this. We just purchased this 2-3 weeks ago, and now I have a tenant moving in there. So that's why it's very important that, especially when I am crunched for time, that I inspect, because I get what I inspect. Whether it's receipts, it's the work they're done, the finished work, the unfinished work, I've got to inspect the property all the time, before, during, and after. All right, let's go. Well, can't wait.